How can you promote old traditions in a world obsessed with modern technology?
Earlier, I mentioned that I'm from a nation of immigrants. However, the first people of my country, indigenous people, said, "We don't inherit the world from our ancestors, rather, we borrow it from our children." And I think if we return to natural modes of production, understand the value of nature rather than trying to continuously push forward with technology, we would understand that features like peatlands actually conserve 33% of the world's carbon. Our planet and its ecosystems are the most effective way to save our planet from global warming. Maraming salamat po.
So mga kapolitika, ang inyo pong napanood at narinig ay si Bea Wyndorski dahil usap-usapan po ngayon ang kanyang pangalan dito sa mundo ng social media na ang sabi ng ating mga netizen at ugong-ugong na ito di umano ay sasali dito sa Miss Universe Philippines 2026 dahil nga sa mga susunod na buwan ang MUPH season na dito sa ating bansa para ating malalaman kung sino ang ipapadala ng Pilipinas sa Miss Universe 2026 na gaganapin sa bansang Puerto Rico. So pag-uusapan po natin itong si Bea Wyndorski dahil nung first time kong marinig the way siya sumagot dito sa Miss Earth 2024 ay masasabi ko na napakalaki ng potensyal ng laban ni Bea Wyndorski dito sa MUPH 2026. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At mga kapolitika, kanya-kanya na nga pong labasan ng baraha ang mga magiging pambato or maglalaban-laban dito sa MUPH 2026. So usually yung mga nag-reveal ng kanilang mga representative or kailang manok dito sa Miss Universe Philippines ay matatawag natin na mga newbies or baguhan dito sa MUPH. So ugong-ugong yung mga veterana na kung saan ay babalik dito sa nasabing patimpalak, pero ang nakatawag ng pansin sa akin ay itong pambato nga di umano ng La Union na si Bea Wyndorski. So ating kikilalanin mga kapolitika kung sino ba itong si Bea Wyndorski dahil ang sinasabi dito sa according sa ating research, si Bea Wyndorski ay isang Filipino-American beauty queen. Bea Milan Wyndorski, born 2002, is a Filipino-American beauty queen, activist, and scholar who rose to prominence after being crowned Miss Earth USA 2024. She subsequently represented the United States at the Miss Earth 2024 pageant, where she won the Miss Earth Water pageantry and 2026 career. As of early 2026, Bea has relocated to the Philippines and is a major subject of speculation for upcoming national pageants. Miss Universe Philippines 2026 pageant circles and social media reports indicate she is undergoing intensive training with the renowned Aces and Queens camp in preparation for the Miss Universe Philippines stage. Cultural identity. She is the first Filipino-American to win Miss Earth USA. Her heritage includes a Filipina mother from Nueva Vizcaya and La Union and a father of Polish and German descent. Known as a beauty queen diplomat, her work centers on human rights and environmental justice. So yun yung sabi ni artificial intelligence mga kapolitika na itong si Bea ay meron silang roots dito sa La Union at sa Nueva Vizcaya. And then obviously base sa kanyang pangalan ay talagang mistisa rin itong maging pambato, upcoming candidate or representative ng La Union kasi yun ang mga nagsisirculate dito sa social media. So nung nakita ko kasing sumagot itong si Bea, actually nakita ko lang dito sa newsfeed ay sa unang tingin ko sa kanya meron siyang resemblance or similarity sa mukha ni Catriona Gray, most especially yung kanyang mata and then kay Ariela Arida. So parang pinaghalo yung mukha ni Bea kay Catriona at kay Ariela Arida. So yun yung aking nakikita. So iwan ko mga kapolitika kung ganun rin po ang inyong impression dito sa beauty queen na ito na kung saan ay lalaban di umano at magiging pambato ng La Union. At the way siya magsalita rin, mag-answer dito sa question, ay there is something in her na talagang masasabi natin na malakas sa kudaan itong si Bea Wyndorski. At sana yung sinasabi natin na hindi mawala yung kanyang spotlight, yung kanyang glow dito pagdating sa national level, most especially na ikukumpara na siya or itatabi na siya doon sa mga malalakas rin na pambato ng MUPH 2026 na na-mention natin on the other day. So yun mga kapolitika ang ating update dito sa pambato di umano ng La Union na si Bea Wyndorski. So trending po siya ngayon at pinag-usapan dito sa mundo ng social media. At samantala dito naman po tayo kay Fatima Bush dahil nagpapatuloy po yung kanyang world tour di umano dito sa bansang Dominican Republic. So after doon sa Guatemala ay diretso itong si Fatima Bush dito sa Dominican Republic na isa ring Latin country. Republica Dominicana, what a welcome! From the music and the dances to the smiles and the warmth of your people, every moment was filled with joy, rhythm, and genuine connection. Your energy is contagious, and the love you share makes everyone feel at home. Such a beautiful reception and excited for everything still to come. So, nasa Dominican Republic po ngayon mga kapolitika itong si Fatima Bush para i-promote yung kanyang mga advocacy at mga causes ng Miss Universe. So, dito naman po tayo sa kay Chelsea Fernandez dahil nasa Tacloban City po kanina itong si Chelsea para kanyang salubungin at i-meet yung kanyang mga supporters dito pa rin sa Sultan Kudarat kasi itong Tacloban City ito ata yung syudad dito sa Sultan Kudarat, yung main city I believe ng Sultan Kudarat. Okay, so alam ko dahil dito po ako galing noong bata ako. So mga kapolitika, yun po ating samot-saring mga update dito sa mundo ng beauty pageant. So kung kayo po ang tatanungin, may laban kaya itong si Bea Wyndorski just in case siya ngayon ang maging pambato ng La Union dito sa Miss Universe Philippines. Ano po mga kapolitika ang inyong maging impression sa kanya? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Love, Rona. So we went straight to city of Tacloban, which was the city that I was born. Okay, the float, they said it's big, and of course it is blue, but I am not really sure about the final of the float since they wanted to be a surprise for me. So I cannot really tell a lot of details. But it's open and it's blue. Invite Shuvi. Oh yes, I'm leaving on February 1. So tomorrow is our grand homecoming parade. I cannot wait. Cannot wait. Oh, I still have to know what time I am leaving on February 1 kasi diba meet and greet yon of Emma and Belle. Hello po, Mama Marie. Hi Maxine, thank you. Tacloban City is my birthplace. Kasi I remember also in my grand homecoming when I won Miss Cosmo Philippines, we also visited the City Hall of Tacloban. I visited Bohol last year in February. So, mag 1 year na. Fun fact. Nag-live ako, sir. Mag-hi ka. I'm with my local director, the ever-supportive. Aww, Sir Yuri.
Kamusta?
Love na love ako neto eh. Kahit maldita ako minsan. Mag-alit ka po?
Hindi. Okay na dito.
Ako, nag-wait lang ako sa kanya. Inopen ko po kasi mahina daw yung wifi.
Okay. Sige.
Nag-live lang ako.
Bye-bye.
Saglit. Apa, thank you. Yeah, he's my ever-supportive local director. The franchise holder of Miss Universe Sultan Kudarat. Hi, Kim! Uy, ang cute! Thank you, baby Rona! Kimmy, hello! I am eating grapes. I have fruits here. Different type. So there is an orange. Ano ito? Chico? Is this Chico? Ano nga to? Also lanzones. And grapes. I'm eating grapes. So we're just waiting for my team so I could change my clothes. And also, Sir Henry is coming here. He is now in Manila, just waiting for his flight to go here. See you, Sir Henry. And you know what, guys? Sir Henry has a lot of huge tarpaulins here. It feels like it is also his homecoming. Yeah, so we are excited to welcome Sir Henry here in my beautiful province, Sultan Kudarat. Mangosteen. This is mangosteen. What is Chico? Yeah. He's going to steal my spotlight. And also Loy. Oh my. People were cheering for him. So maybe Loy is the third runner-up. Like, people went crazy for him earlier. Chelsea Fernandez, probinsya ng Sultan Kudarat. I miss saying that. It's truly an honor to represent my beautiful province. Grabe. Thank you. Thank you talaga sa paulit-ulit, I know. But this is the reality. I'm just so grateful, thankful, blessed, and kung ano pang synonyms dyan na pwedeng gamitin or adjective. Parang, I don't know. I just feel so special talaga. Thank you so much. How many years ako nag-pageant? Sabihin natin since 2015. But this year talaga, iba. Iba. The experience, the opportunity, syempre the love, the support, everything is extreme. So thank you. Yeah, I'm going back to Vietnam on February 1. Thank you, Janelle. Baby Rona, thank you po. Muham is very supportive of you. Ay, oo. And you can feel that it is real, it is genuine, the support and her love for me. One time, when we were at our rooms, she even told me that it's okay that she will just be part of top 5 as long as I am going to win. Like, imagine a representative of Thailand said that. So, grabe talaga yung love ni Muham. Okay, so I'm going to show you my room today. So this is called White Palace. This is for the visitors, a place for the visitors. So earlier, we stayed at the hotel, but then my local director decided now we should stay here. So this is the room, so huge, so white. So that's the bathroom, of course the water, the coffee area, cabinet, the bed, and this was the bag from the facility that we visited earlier. So this is ano ba yan? So this is a local product made in Tacorong City. Of course, the bouquet and the bed. Yung bata sumama. Tama na yung bata na yan siya. Grabe, hindi talaga nawawala lagi sa live ko sila. Ate Marie, Baby Rona, thank you. Sayang, di mo ako nakita kanina. Sayang, me. Yan pa naman ang pinunta ko dito sa SK. Ang nakita ka. Sayang talaga. Have you met your family or... No, not yet. My 3 brothers, not yet. I did not ask them to go here kasi as an ate, I'm really caring. So for sure, I cannot focus on the activities here because I will just think of them like, oh my God, my brother. So yun, I decided not to bring them here. Kasi syempre, diba, as an ate, I'll just think of them. Like, yung mga kapatid ko, where are my brothers? Like, have they eaten already? Something like that. And I don't wanna do that here. Especially that I have so many activities lined up. Pero my brothers know that I love them. Kaya they understood. Hi, Lee. Hi, Jen. The bathroom. This is a white Filipiniana for White Palace. O, diba? Perfect. Tomorrow, their parade will start at 9 a.m. Very early. So tomorrow is going to be a full pack day. I'm excited. You can really see the genuine smile in me. Kasi I'm really, really happy talaga. If there is an extreme word for happy pa, yun ang nafe-feel ko. Mag-Tagalog ka na, nahiya ka pa. Syempre, our other friends in Vietnam are here.